Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to TG News. I'm Tommy Gray. Tonight, our top story is about the jaguar and struggle for survival in the Americas. We go now to our reporter in the field, Tommy Gray.
Thanks, Tom. The jaguar is the third largest cat in the world and the largest in the Americas. It is a beautiful predator with an individual coat unique to each cat. Its name originates from yagura, a Native American word that loosely translated means kills its prey with a single bound. It lives in deciduous forests, grasslands, mountain scrub areas, and rainforests. The jaguar is a skilled swimmer and uses this talent to hunt fish, turtles, and even crocodiles. It also hunts monkeys, sloth, tapir, and deer, and basically everything else. Because of its apex predator status, the jaguar helps maintain homeostasis by limiting the amount of prey available and preventing overgrazing. The jaguar is also very smart and will dip its tail in the water like a lure to attract fish. It can also see 6 times better than humans at night. Their territory once ranged from Argentina to Arizona, but now they are almost completely eliminated in the US. There are sadly only 15,000 left in the wild. They are so little because of overhunting for their exquisite pelt. At the height of their decline in the 60s and 70s, roughly 15,000 cats were killed a year. Binational conservation efforts have been successful in protecting a small population of 80 to 120 cats in the remote mountains of Sonora in Mexico bordering Arizona. This is the last hope for the US to have this beautiful cat back in it. With roughly 30% of the land in Arizona still suitable for jaguars, the cat could stage a comeback if we protect this land. The US government set aside roughly 760,000 acres to use for protected animals, but farmers and ranchers are trying to take back 60,000 acres to use for farming and other agricultural purposes. Another issue that could affect the jaguar's comeback into the US is border patrols. If border patrols see a jaguar and shoot it, then there will obviously be less cats left in the wild. Over 182 potential wildlife corridors covering 18 nations and 2 continents are available within the jaguar's range. Efforts are underway to negotiate between governments ways to get these corridors open so jaguars can cross through the countries. Conservation groups involved are the Fish and Wildlife Service, ISEC, or International Society for Endangered Cats, Naturalia, and the Defenders of Wildlife. If granted the money, we could train border patrols to be more lenient to the cats and allow them to pass through. Also, we could purchase more lands to use and set aside as reservations for these beautiful cats.
Action. Wow, that was really interesting. I really hope this amazing cat comes back and we can see it once again in the wild. Now we go to Tommy Gray with sports.